Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see how we can change what the power button does on Windows 11. Maybe you want to set it to shut down because it's currently set to sleep. As you can see, you can also change what the sleep button and closing the lid do. We will also see how to show the hibernate button in the power menu. I'm going to close this page and start from scratch. First, you want to left click on search at the bottom and then type in control. Left click on control panel. Here we want to left click on power options, or if your view is set to category, left click on system and security, and then you can find the power options over here. Now we want to left click on choose what the power buttons do at the top left, and we are where we wanted. Here you have the option to change what the power button does, the sleep button and closing the lid do when on battery and when plugged in. It's great that you can do this because it's for different power needs. We have it set as we want it already, to shut down in each case and to sleep for the sleep button and to hibernate when closing the lid. Like I mentioned, you can also show the hibernate button in the power menu. To be able to change the option over here, you just need to left click on the button at the top that says change settings that are currently unavailable. And now we can left click the little check mark to enable hibernate and then left click on save changes to save the changes. Right now, if we left click on the start button and the power button, we will also see hibernate over here. Hibernation turns off the PC, but like it says over here in the overlay text, apps will stay open. So when you turn it back on, you will have the same setup. It's sort of like the sleep button, but it saves more power. The downside is that it will take longer as well when you start it up. But as you need, if you think you will be away for a longer while from your PC, it's a good idea to use the Hibernate because then you won't be left without battery. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching our video. I hope this helps you. Subscribe for future tips.